Alrighty, everyone. Tashina Lynette, your favorite holistic business coach with Be Activa, and I'm back here to share what I just shared in English. So as you hop on here, give me a wave, a hi, hello, let me know what city, state, or country you're watching me from, and hashtag replay if you see it later, and no matter what venue it is. And so today I have a question for you guys and some info to share because we are about to be in Q2, y'all. Can you believe it? 3 months of 2024 is down. And at the beginning of 2024, a lot of people set some wellness goals, set some exercise goals. So, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I am excited to say that I'm doing amazing, despite the fact that 2024 has been so difficult and so stressful in so many ways that I didn't expect. But next week is an opportunity for you to begin again. So, why? It is National Public Health Week. It runs from April 1st to the 7th. And so, I wanted to look this up and share some information with you. So, it is a pivotal time dedicated to enhancing the health of Americans coast to coast. And the week spotlights the significance of public health, urging everyone to take actionable steps towards creating environments that promote well being. So, here's how you can partake: educate yourself and others, seize the opportunity to deepen your understanding of public health issues. Look out for enlightening webinars, engaging workshops, and beneficial community events to broaden your knowledge. Raise awareness, make your voice heard on social media platforms. Hey, that's what I'm doing right now, y'all. Spread the word about the importance of public health using hashtags like Public Health Week and Healthier Together to ignite meaningful conversations online. Engage with your community. Lend a hand by volunteering at local health organizations and partake in health-centric activities to contribute directly to your community's well-being. Champion your personal health. Why it's a great time to begin again if you're off track. NPHW is also a reminder to prioritize your wellness. Embed self-care rituals, balance nutrition, and regular exercise into your daily routine. Be sure to adopt, of course, as your favorite holistic business coach, adopt a holistic approach to health. Physical well being: incorporate regular physical activity into your schedule, indulge in nourishing meals, and ensure you are getting plenty of rest. Mental wellness: dedicate time to practice mindfulness, effectively manage stress, and don't hesitate to seek professional support if you're feeling overwhelmed. Social well being: forge robust connections by engaging with your community, partaking in activities that bring joy, and offering a helping hand to those around you. This National Public Health Week, let's embrace a holistic view of health, one that encompasses physical, mental, and social well being all around. By focusing on comprehensive wellness, we can strengthen not only ourselves but our communities as well. So, that is what I want to share with you guys. I'll be back, of course, at the end of the month with a few more topics. It's also Minority Health Month and stress awareness and all types of other things. So, see you throughout the week with more amazing topics. Until then, don't forget, let me know where you're checking in from. Give me some love in the comments, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.